All right, Lesson 3, page 8, has 2 pages that go together. This page has a story called How Polar Bears Hunt. I'll read the story for you this time. Next time I want you to try to read it on your own. So the story says, polar bears live where it is cold. There is ice all around. They have thick fur. They stay warm. They hunt to live. They walk on ice. They look for seals to eat. Polar bears use clues to hunt. They look for cracks in the ice. Seals swim underwater. They come up for air through the cracks. Seals like the sun. They like the heat. Polar bears can find seals in the sun. Polar bears can slip on the ice. Splash! They can fall into the cold water. Polar bears can swim. Mama bears teach their cubs how to hunt. Cubs learn that hunting is hard work. They must hunt to grow big and strong. So then, this page is asking you to look for some text evidence. It said that on page 8, which is right here, you need to circle all the clues that tell about where polar bears live. Then you need to answer, what is it like where polar bears live? I want you to discuss with a partner or your group how the polar bears can live there. So here, just give me a quick description of where they live. Is it hot? Is it cold? Is there sand? Is there ice? Are there a lot of trees like a forest? Here, tell me about where they live. Then, you need to ask me 2 questions about polar bears. Remember, I would like a capital and a question mark at the end of your questions. Finally, on page 8, you need to draw a box around mama bears and underline the words that tell what mama polar bears do for their first cubs. And then find other things that polar bears do. Discuss them with a partner. So over here, since we're going to put a box around mama bears and underline the parts that tell what they do, I'm going to get my pencil and I'm going to look through and find any parts where they talk about mama bears. I see mama bears here, so I'm going to go ahead and draw a box around it. Then you need to underline what they do. They teach their cubs how to hunt, and the cubs learn that the hunting is hard work. So the mama bear teaches them how to hunt, but it doesn't teach them that it's hard work. They learn that on their own. So then, after you've done that, you've completed this whole part. Make sure you don't forget to discuss with your group what they do.